Hi there, and today we're going to have a Canva long band paper size tutorial. So here I am in my Canva homepage. So if you're wondering what the long band paper size is, so commonly it is sized as 8.5 by 13 inches. So this is commonly used in parts of Southeast Asia. But if you are in the US, usually the long bond paper size, which is called the legal size paper, it is 8.5 by 14 inches. So make sure you know what you want to use from these two sizes right here. But for this video, I will focus on the long band paper size, which is 8.5 by 13 inches. Or if you will translate it to millimeters, it is 216 times 330 millimeters. So in order to have that in Canva, we need to have a custom size for it. Because if we, for example, just search long band paper right here, we don't really have that option. As you can see, there is no option right here for a long band paper. So that's why we need to go to custom size and then insert the size right here. So you have different types of units. You have pixels, inches, millimeter, and centimeters. So for example, I'll use inches. So we'll insert 8.5 by 13 for our size of a long band paper. Then we can create new design, and then it will automatically create our design right here for a long band paper. If you want your orientation to be in landscape, so you can just reverse the numbers right here. So for example, I'll say 13 by 8.5, create new design. So we still have a long band paper size. It's just that it is placed horizontally, or orientation in horizontal. So you can also use the millimeter, which is 216 by 330. So insert here 216 by 330 and then millimeters. So let's change this again. Like this, create new design. And then we still have a long band paper size. And then if you want to use centimeters, you can just translate this to be like this, 21.6 and 33. So as you can see, it will automatically convert your inches and then millimeters and centimeters right here. But that is basically it. That is how we can create a long band paper size here in Canva. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.